Well, today is Big Dig Day here at Frank's Old House. The water department are here today, tearing up the road. After they placed the pipe, they're now tearing up the wall here, the old stone wall, and we're going to replace that stone wall with engineered block. So check this out, the Big Dig.
I'll call you. If you're over there, I'll call you. The wall guys will be here. We got walls, they're dropping off. Wherever your truck is, they'll drop off the rocks. So I'll call you to come over here. Dean's doing the topsoil and everything. I got locates coming in for, called in today for the cutting caps on military and on 119. If you don't like get in there, I can't go out. It's something you have to set it for. So they're going to set his box for him?
Remember last night? Huh? Got it played.
What about it? Right there?
He's going to watch it.
Okay, that sounds good. I can go inside and shut off the power, so it'll give you guys a shock. Let's get one more angle from here. So they're gonna temporarily replace or remove the little light post that I have here in my backyard patio. The new engineered brick wall that's going to be replacing these stones will do a better job of supporting the road. And that was a problem prior, is that the road or private drive that I had here didn't really support very well when they had the larger vehicles, like even a garbage truck, come down to do garbage pickup. And so with the old water pipeline, the bonuses that we're getting a newly constructed road with the properly engineered wall instead of the stone wall that's adjacent to my property here, and it should be really nice when it's done. So this is kind of the before. I guess we were just discussing with the water department foreman as to whether or not the wall reconstruction will include replacing these stairs. Be nice, but we'll see what happens. All right, and that's it for now.